Did you know, your metabolism can decrease by about 5% for every 10 years after age of 40? So, to shed some weight in your 40s is a challenge. Hey, don't worry, in this video we will explain some weight loss strategies that works even after 40. So stay tuned. Your daily activities, eating habits, stress, hormone levels all play key roles in weight management. Are you aware that your body weight consists of fat, muscle weight and water weight also? The weight of an average human adult male is approximately 60% water, and female is approximately 55% water. Some variations will be there based on factors like age, health, water intake etc. You can lose water weight easily, and that is why some of the remedies or medicines that claim to make you lose weight in short period of time are most likely false. But to effectively lose weight, you should be able to burn more fat. And it is not that hard. You have to put in some efforts and mainly stay away from outdated weight loss mindsets. When it comes to eating, the best way to lose weight in the long term is to eat more sensibly. Don't take diet foods that are artificially processed. They are lower in carbs, sugar, calories and fat. Processed foods can destroy appetite and affects health bacteria in your gut. It can also cause inflammation. In short, processed foods can misguide your immune system and your weight management plan goes for a toss. So, if you are really serious in losing weight or reducing your belly fat, first thing to do is to commit yourself to take whole foods instead of processed ones. Whole foods increases calorie burning and may help you lose weight. So eat sensibly and happily with a focus on nutrition. Hey, do you say this excuse? No time for breakfast. If you say so, then what happens next is, you simply grab those quick foods available in stores or overeat in lunch. And ultimately you put more weight instead of losing. Breakfast plays very important role in weight management. Never skip your breakfast. Another important point, practice eating less during dinner. You can wake up fresh in the morning and will crave for a healthy breakfast. Did you know that ghee or olive oil is the best cooking oil for weight loss? Use ghee for deep and stir frying. It has a high smoke point and is healthy too. As the saying goes and is true, eat more veggies and fruits for an effective weight management plan. Not only veggies and fruits makes you feel full, it also gives you disease protection. It's not that complicated to eat veggies. Just add it your egg or any main course or simply eat it as a side dish. Hey, are you a person who eats while watching TV or computer screen? Then none of the weight management plans fits you. You have to focus on your food while eating. Most of the people take this point very lightly and they are doing a big mistake. When you focus on your food, it makes the brain realize when you had enough and thus prevents overeating. Don't think twice to take in adequate water. Water is 100% calorie-free and can prevent you from overeating. Take water at least 1 hour before each meals. And in the morning you must take 1 liter of water before brushing and have breakfast only after 1 hour. Replacing soda beverages with water will help you a lot in weight management. It also helps in losing belly fat naturally. Do you drink alcohol too much? Alcohol, if taken in moderate way, may help in weight management. Moderate means 1 drink a day. For example, 1.5 ounce of distilled spirit. But if you drink too much alcohol, it will stimulate your appetite and so you end up eating more. And guess what? Under influence of alcohol you have no control over eating. Too much alcohol disrupts sleep, which is a main criteria for maintaining proper weight. So, always have a alcohol drink strategy. Start taking dark chocolates daily. Take anywhere between 30 to 60 grams or about 4 to 5 squares. It gives you antioxidants, magnesium and fiber. Dark chocolates help in relaxation and improved sleep. Did you know that you need less carbohydrates after age of 40? But never cut down carbs completely. Instead of taking the carbs as the main dish, just eat them in small quantities. In this video we have given weight loss recommendations that are easy to follow. Practice it along with doing some exercise, like brisk walking, jogging or meditation for half-hour daily, at least 5 days in a week. You can also do some yard work or help each other in household work instead of sitting glued to screens. Now, still, if you are eating while watching this video, see the video once again and commit to your weight loss program. And hey, if you like this video, please subscribe and comment us your weight loss techniques.